Okay, so everybody should have this in front of you. We're just going to review these integer rules. Start off with addition. So when we're adding and the signs are the same, you're just going to add and keep the sign. So here, they're both positive. You add and you make them a positive answer. Here, they're both negative, and you add them and keep the negative sign. 5 plus 23 is 28, and you put the negative sign. So example 1 up here, negative 8 plus negative 6. Same sign, so you add 8 plus 6 is 14, and keep the sign at the negative. So when you're adding and the signs are different, you're going to subtract. Take the smaller number from the larger number, and then you're just going to keep the sign of whatever number was larger. So here's one where we're adding with different signs. So we're going to subtract 3 minus 2, and then keep the sign of the larger of the two numbers. So the 3 was the larger of the two, so the negative goes with the answer. When you're subtracting, we're going to do these 3 steps. We're going to copy the first term, change to addition, and make the third term the opposite. So here, negative 65 minus 24, copy the negative 65, change the subtraction to addition, and make the opposite of the second term. So it's positive 24, the opposite of that would be negative 24. And now you're just using the rules of add. Here it's same side, keep the sign. For example 3 here, we're going to copy the negative 8, change to addition, and make this the opposite. And now we're going to use the rules of addition. Opposite signs subtract, and keep the sign of the larger number. With multiplying and dividing, there's 2 rules. If they're same sign, the answer is positive. Different sign, the answer is negative. So here for number 5, we have negative 7 and negative 1. You're dividing a negative divided by a negative, and it's going to be positive. For number 7, you have opposite signs. You have a negative divided by a positive. 20 divided by 2 is 10. Opposite signs, negative answer. Number 6, negative divided by a negative is positive. Number 8, opposite signs, a negative and a positive will give you a negative. Same with number 9, we have opposite signs, a positive and a negative. 8 times 5 is 40. Likewise on number 10, you have 8 times 5, which is 40. Since both signs are the same, your answer is going to be positive.